Hey guys, good morning. This is all here, and you are watching KD Architects. So, welcome to KD Architects. So, I hope you have been learning the Revit software through our tutorials. So, in this video, I'll talk about wood cladding material. I have already created one tutorial on this topic, how to create wood cladding material, and with the dimension of 4-inch or 6-inch wood cladding slate. So, you can check it out that video, I button upper right corner, and also you can check it out from the description. So in this video, I'll show you how to align or how to change the position of the wood cladding. So for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So instead of wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have one elevation and this is the realistic view. Now, if you see, I have already assigned the horizontal pattern or horizontal wood cladding. Now, just I want to align the cladding with the, uh, you can say with the parallel of roof slope. Okay. So first of all, let me measure the angle. So let me assign the detail line first over here. And again, let's use the DI for the dimension and over here we'll assign the angular dimension. And now let me measure the angle. It's a 150 degree. Now, now let's go to material tab over here and let's search the cladding. So I have already created the material, so I can duplicate it. So if you haven't created any kind of material, just create and now over here I'll duplicate the material. Click on the duplicate and over here I'll assign the name. You can say the I'll add the angle 150. Okay, this one is fine. And now over here in the you can say surface pattern will change the angle. So over here in the model, I'll duplicate this one, click on this symbol, duplicate fill pattern. And over here also will add 150 degree. And over here I'll add the angle. So let's add 150. So it's opposite direction. So we'll change the angle. Let's put 30. Okay, this one is fine. And now click on the OK. Again, click on the OK. Now pattern we have successfully changed and now let's go to appearance. Now in the image, click on the image and over here we'll change the position in the rotation tab over here. So over here we have already scaled the image. So over here हमारे पास यहाँ पे every wood cladding slate is around 4 inch. So we have already scaled the image and over here we'll add the value. So over here let me add 150 degree and click on the done. Okay, one thing we did wrong, that is if you observe, it's a generic 21 material and over here in the wood cladding also, it's a generic 21 material. So before that, we need to duplicate. Okay, let me do it again. Again, go to material and let's search cladding. And now I'll duplicate this material over here. We'll assign 150. Okay, this one is fine. For the pattern over here, we'll duplicate. Over here, we'll add uh, over here we'll add 150 and over here let's add 30 and click on the OK. Now pattern has done. Okay, now go to appearance and now over here we'll duplicate first. So if you see it's a 22 now. You can change also over here in the information tab. Over here you can assign the let's say uh, wood cladding like that 150. Okay, this one is fine. And now go to image and over here you can change the rotation. So let's add 150 degree and click on the done and again click on the done. So if you see we have already one material and let me assign one material over here. So with the help of paint, shortcut is PT. Over here I am assigning this paint. So if you see successfully we have added the wood cladding. So if you see, if you one thing you observe over here, that is it's a reverse position over here. So this one is wrong. So we need to assign or we need to rotate again. Okay, so If we measure angle from here, let me do like this way. So it's a 30 degrees. So we minus the 30 from 360. It's a 330 degree. Okay, let me add the value in the material. Go to material tab and over here go to wood cladding 150. Okay, over here we can rename it. It's a 330 degree. Okay, this one is correct. And now go to appearance and go to image over here and add the value 330 degree and click on the OK. And again click on the OK. So if you see one thing, now the wood cladding is correct. So let me explain why the previous one was wrong. Let me draw detail line. So actually in the wall, the wood cladding like this way, you can say it's like in this position. The wood cladding like this way. If you observe, so in the previous we set when we set the angle of 150, it was like you can say the upper angle was like this way. Let me. So it was like this way. So it was wrong. So the previous was like this way, and now corrected is like this way. So this was the difference. So that is the reason I updated the angle of wood cladding. Now it's correct. Now let me share one tip over here. So within one command, you can rotate the, you can say the wood cladding pattern in the realistic. So first of all, let me change over here to hidden line. And now let me duplicate this view. Duplicate with detailing. Okay, this one is fine. And now use tile view WT. Now if you see over here, we have hidden view and over here we'll change the realistic. Okay. And now let me delete this one. Okay. Now if you observe over here in the hidden line with the help of tab key and select this pattern. So if you see, I'm able to select this pattern because in the material, if you see in the material 330, we have assigned the model pattern. So just make sure you have assigned the model pattern. So this is the mandatory. Okay. And now again, click on the, you can say the pattern with the help of tab key. Just once you select the pattern, press the RO for the rotation command, and with the help of rotation command, you can simply change the, you can say the pattern of wood cladding. So this is the simplest and easy way to rotate the pattern. Just you need to use the model pattern over here. Again, I am rotating RO and let me, you can say they rotate the pattern. Okay. And you can also align the pattern. Okay. Just use the AL for the align command and select the line and again select the line of the pattern. Okay. So like this way, you can simply align the pattern. If you see parallelly over here, the material is rotating. Okay, so this is the easy trick, and I hope you like this video. And if you really like our tutorial, please leave a like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.